Hi, and welcome to Python Basics. In this video, I'll give a short overview of the Python programming language and touch on how to install the Python interpreter and get started. Python is a general-purpose programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum. It's an interpreted language, and the interpreter is written in C. An interpreted language means there is a program which is called the interpreter, which translates your Python code into binary code that can be run by your machine. The Python code is read line by the interpreter, and whenever an error is encountered, the interpreter halts execution. What is Python used for? Well, Python is general purpose, so it has many applications. Some of the major applications of Python are on the screen: data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, computer vision, web development, and scientific applications. This is a brief overview of the topics that will be covered in this playlist. These topics will be covered at a beginner level. Now I will demonstrate how to install Python on Windows and also on Linux. For Windows users, open up your browser and navigate to python.org. This gives you the Python webpage. Go over to Downloads, click on Download and run the installer. For Linux users, Python comes pre-installed with most distributions. To check whether you have Python installed or not, run the following command: python 3 version. You should be getting something like this as the output: python 3 dot something dot something. If you do not have this, for Debian and Ubuntu based systems, which means Debian, Ubuntu, Zorin OS, Linux Mint, and similar distributions, you will have to run the following command to install Python 3: sudo apt install python 3. Here I already have Python 3 installed. That's why it's giving me this. But if you do not have it installed, it will prompt you whether you want to continue or not. Press Y to continue and then enter. Once it is completed, close your terminal and reopen it and run the following command again: python 3 version. Now you should be getting something similar to what I have. That completes it for installation of Python.